In this video, we'll show you how to fix the error you may encounter when trying to add a video to Camtasia. The file extension is supported, but it was created with an unsupported codec. To resolve this, we'll use Handbrake, a free and widely used video encoding software, to re-encode the video. You can select any video preset that best fits your project. Once re-encoded, the error will be gone, and your video will import into Camtasia smoothly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.